Hello everyone, today I'm delighted to introduce a new product to you, the second generation SIYI AI Tracking Module. Inside the box, you'll find not only the second generation SIYI AI Tracking Module but also its accompanying cables. I'll be covering the product from several aspects, including its appearance, interfaces and indicators, functionalities, accompanying cables, and compatible cameras. Let's dive in. This product measures 52 mm in length, 52 mm in width, and 29 mm in height, weighing a relatively lightweight 88 grams. Its power consumption is 8 watts, its working voltage ranges from 11V to 25.2V, and it supports 3S, 6S batteries. The video stream supports encoding formats of either H.264 or H.265. The second generation SIYI AI Tracking Module features 6 interfaces: TF card, UART port, micro HDMI port, LAN 2 port, LAN 1 port, and PWR port. Reset button. It also sports 2 indicator lights, a status indicator and a power indicator. When the power indicator's red light is constantly on, it indicates normal power supply. For the status indicator, a solid yellow light means firmware upgrade in progress, slow yellow blinking indicates no camera connection, solid green light signifies system startup. Slow green blinking indicates normal system operation, and alternating green and yellow blinking indicates successful parameter reset. The second generation SIYI AI Tracking Module boasts a computing power of up to 10 TOPS at INT8, offering robust performance for big data and AI computations. It also enables arbitrary object recognition. Compared to the first generation, the second generation adds several intelligent recognition features, including license plate recognition, insulator recognition, thermal imaging recognition, photoelectric pod coordination, and intelligent follow-flight capabilities. There are 4 accompanying cables included. The SIYI Gimbal Power Cable, the Y cable for SIYI AI Tracking Module and SIYI Link, featuring 3 connectors, GH 1.258 pin, GH 1.254 pin, GH 1.254 pin. The SIYI AI Tracking Module to SIYI Gimbal Ethernet communication cable with 2 connectors, GH 1.254 pin and GH 1.258 pin. And finally, the SIYI AI Tracking Module to SIYI Link Ethernet communication cable, also with 2 connectors, GH 1.254 pin and GH 1.259 pin. This product is compatible with cameras such as ZT30, ZT6, ZR30, ZR10, and A8 Mini. Here are some examples of wiring diagrams. That concludes today's video. Thank you for watching. For more content, please remember to follow us.